Hi, I'm Rich from New Forest Bushcraft. Today I'm going to show you how I heat treat some blades just using a simple homemade brick forge. Something you can do, it's quite cheap to do. You can get the bricks for about £6 off of eBay, and just using a propane torch, which is okay for thin carbon steel. This is a blade that I'm making in conjunction with Dale at Learn Bushcraft. You've probably seen his videos on hand drill and stuff on YouTube. We're making a joint knife together. He's designed it, I'm going to make it. It's got a Scandinavian influence. It's quite a good blade, so we're just going to heat treat it and we'll have this under test soon. As you can see, the bevels are ground, all the holes are already drilled in, which is important before we heat treat it. All I'm going to do is put it in the homemade forge. When it's heated up to 800 degrees C, which I can tell by the colour, another test you can do is just wave it in front of a magnet. At the moment it sticks on the magnet. When it's heat treated to the right temperature, above 800 degrees, it loses that property, loses all its magnetic properties, so it won't stick to the magnet. So then you know it's ready to quench. Just in some oil. I've got car oil here, you can use cooking oil. Important to use oil, not water. Water will spit everywhere and it won't give you a good quench. Okay, so we get on with it and I'll show you how I do it. Put the blade, first of all, just put the blade in the forge. Stood up. I don't lay it down because otherwise one side gets heated more than the other. It's important to keep it stood up. You get a nice even heat. You don't want to heat it too quickly because you start getting blades warping, etc. Colours beginning to change already. Okay, it's just about ready now. So what I'll do is I'll turn the torch down. I'll just keep it at that temperature just for a little while so it gets a bit of a soak, so it's nice and even. As I say, you don't want to do it too quick, otherwise it's going to warp. When you quench it, put the blade upright and stir it round. Just make sure that no bit cools quicker than the other. Always tip first down into the quench bucket. Okay. There we have our quench blade. As you can see, nice and straight, it hasn't warped. Next thing to do, you can temper this just in an oven. Put it at 250 degrees. I mean, you only need half an hour per inch thickness of steel. Obviously we've only talking 2-3 mil here. I mean, I leave mine in there for about an hour, 230 to 250 degrees C, and that'll temper it nicely for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep checking out, we'll have some new videos on there soon. Thanks.